These ginger biscuits are the perfect balance of crispy and chewy, and they're so easy to make. Let's show you how we do it. The best thing about this recipe is that it can all be made in one bowl and no mixer is required. So in a large bowl, we're adding some self-raising flour, sugar, and bicarbonate of soda. To make sure that these ginger biscuits are perfectly spiced, we're going to go in with a generous amount of ginger, so we're going to use 3 teaspoons of ground ginger. We also like to add a hint of cinnamon to this biscuit, so we're going to go in with half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Give your dry ingredients a quick mix before going in with your wet ingredients, so we've gone in with 100 grams of melted butter and 75 grams of golden syrup. Give that all a really good mix until the dough starts to come together. Once 6 minutes through, it'll look something like this. You then want to portion out your biscuits. So from this recipe, we got about 18 ginger biscuits. You don't need to weigh it out, you can just go by eyeballing it, and we're just going to roll them into a small ball and then flatten it slightly. Make sure you leave enough space as they will spread while they're cooking. We've placed our biscuits on a baking tray that's been lined with some baking paper. Then we're going to place them in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius to bake for about 13 minutes. Once they're done, they're going to look something like this. They'll be nice and brown with a cracked top. At this point, don't touch them, just leave them to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're completely cooled down. This is the perfect biscuit to have with a cup of coffee or tea.